Okay, so taking our previous class a little step further, we will be looking at some sales types in this course. It will be a very brief one, and then we have this guy over here called sales type. So there are some templates of sales style that you can actually use to format your sales, depending on what you are working on. So let's just fix our gaze on this side, and then let's see how we can just play around some of these sales styles. So let's see if I click on this, it will format this as this, and then these are custom designed formats that you can actually leverage anytime we want to spotlight some things, or we want our sales to follow a particular pattern. So, and then this time around, we don't need to be the one that we click the bold, click the paint, click this or that. We just need to come here to come and pick one of the existing styles that's actually fitting into whatever we are trying to achieve. So you can always play around this, especially possibly when you want to spotlight some things, maybe for your boss, that maybe for your boss, when you want to spotlight some things for your boss, when you want to call their attention to some things, or maybe you are working on a document and you need to come back yourself maybe to review some things. Those spotting, it makes it kind of quick for you to easily trace those parts back. So that will be all for this part.